First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer files from Samsung to computer, run the software and connect your Samsung phone to your computer via USB. The software will quickly recognize your Samsung phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your phone to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, all the data on your phone will be displayed by categories in the interface. To transfer files from Samsung to a computer, select a file category such as Photos. Under Library, you can check photos in all photo albums. Click one album and tick off the photos you want to transfer, then click Export and choose a location on your computer to save them. All the chosen photos will be transferred to your computer.